Hey everyone! In this video, we're going to set up the Discord and Twitter modules for our agent. To get started, we'll need Twitter and Discord keys. For Twitter keys, you can find them on the Twitter developer portal under the Keys and Tokens tab. I won't go into details on how to get them because it's pretty straightforward. I'm sure you can figure it out. For the Discord token, go to the Discord developer portal under the Applications tab. Here's the step-by-step process. First, create a new application and give it any name you like. Open your application, go to the Bot tab, and click Reset Token. This will generate a new token. Copy it and paste it into your .env file. Next, we need to configure our bot on Discord. First, go to the Privileged Gateway Intents tab and enable all three checkboxes. This allows your bot to access certain events and messages. Then go to the Authentication tab, select bot, and configure its permissions. For this demo, I'll give it all permissions so we don't run into any issues. This may take a moment to set up. After configuring the permissions, Discord will generate an invite link for your bot. So paste the link into your browser, hit enter, and authorize your bot to join the server. Once you do that, your bot will appear on the server. Let's test it using a simple command. If everything is set up correctly, you'll see a message appear and the bot should go online. Try typing something on the server, the bot should respond. If it works, congratulations, everything is running perfectly. Now let's move on to Twitter. There are two main ways our agent can work here. First, the agent can reply to posts from specific users you define. And the second, the agent can post tweets automatically on its own. Let's start with the automatic posting option. We'll create a simple tweet. Open the folder agent/tools/then Twitter, and then open the Twitter config file. All the settings are already nicely commented, so I won't go through every single line. It's pretty easy to follow. First, enable posting by setting the relevant option to true. Next, configure the posting frequency. For example, if you set it to 1, the bot will tweet once per day. You can also adjust the content of the tweet by editing the prompt, or leave it as it is for now. Once this is set up, run the agent. And it will post an interesting, sometimes funny tweet. You can experiment by editing the prompt to make the bot tweet about specific topics, change the character limit, and so on. Next, let's try the first option, where the agent replies to posts from specific users. In the self.key users field, add the usernames that the agent should monitor. For this demo, I'll add my own test account. Then comment and uncomment the correct lines in the config to enable replies and disable automatic posting. Keep in mind that the Twitter API has rate limits, so you may need to wait a bit before seeing the replies. I'll pause here and check back in about 10 to 15 minutes. After waiting, let's turn the bot back on and check its reaction. Refresh the page. And as you can see, the agent replied to the post. You can fully customize your bot in the config file. You can edit the prompt, add trigger phrases, change the response style, and much more. So, if everything worked for you, congratulations. You've fully set up your sentient template agent. Now you can start experimenting, create new interactions, integrate it into apps, or add it to extensions. You can make it do something fun, creative, and useful. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to leave a comment. I'll try to help you solve it. And if you enjoyed this video, leave a note in the comments too. I might show a real example of how I'm using this agent in my own app soon. Thanks so much for watching.